Yo, what's up, guys? So I came across this video sneezing on people by Steezy Cunning? I don't really know. But the video is really old already. Sorry for the lighting. Thank you. Yeah, it's pretty old.
All right, guys. Sometimes it's annoying for me
I
to
don't
carry
know.
my keys
Somehow
because
I
it's
haven't
just
seen
annoying.
it,
It's too much
but
to
it
carry.
got
So, little tip.
it got 29 million views. I mean, the video must be pretty good, or he got lucky. I don't know, but 29 million, that's insane. Not gonna lie.
Just put it in the gas thing. Probably shouldn't put that in the video because it's fine. Where'd you go? Oh, I was like looking for you. We're in Target, and I gotta find like a Gatorade bottle or something to do the sneeze. For some reason, I feel like they're not gonna have them. Hey, sir, do you sell these here? These Gatorade squeeze bottles? Hell yeah.
We're out.
Oh, really? Fuck.
Yeah, we're out.
Do you have any other like squeeze bottles? Ooh, this might work.
That's gonna be the only one. But that was 15 bucks.
All right, yeah, I'll get this. This is how we're gonna sneeze on people.
Nice. I didn't know you can squeeze them so much, like that much.
Shit. Fuck, dude. That's not a sneeze. Who sneezes like that? Maybe it's because there's too much.
It might be a
That's not
little
gonna work.
too
I'm gonna
obvious.
try to go to another store and see if they sell them over there. I just don't know where else would have it. Do you carry like the Gatorade squeeze bottle?
No, we don't. Not yet.
Fuck. I spent 15 bucks on this. Where'd you get that bottle?
Amazon.com.
Do you know where I could buy it, like in a store around here?
Co-op. You can.
Oh, the co-op?
Yeah, co-op maybe.
Okay. Because I'm trying to sneeze on people, but this is like,
So like
it doesn't,
this?
yeah, it doesn't do that. It's so stupid. Do you sell these Gatorade squeeze bottles here?
I don't think we do.
Fuck.
What?
Stuck with this.
It's a t-shirt shop. What?
Do you think we could trade bottles?
No, why?
This one is worth $15. That one's only worth $5. So really, I'm giving you 10 bucks.
But why would you want my bottle?
I'm trying to sneeze on people, and this one doesn't. This one like squirts.
This is like,
I don't want to squirt on people.
this one squirts too.
No, but like like when you point it up, it sneezes. It like does the.
I like my bottle though. You
I'll
can
get.
order it online.
I'll give you like. I need it today. That's the thing. What's in it right now? Is it just water?
Yeah, it's water with lemon.
I could Venmo you like 15 bucks.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Like right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm sure.
Hey, I'm selling my bottle.
I'm buying your friend's bottle.
Yeah, for 15.
I just bought this one. All it has is
Are
water.
you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Fuck yeah, dude. Now I can. Imagine this one doesn't do it either. I think we're good. If the demand's high, then the supply's gotta be high. Supply and demand. When there's a will, there's a way.
True.
Fuck. She put lemon water in here, so we gotta like wash it out and stuff. Hold on, record this. This is so sexist. This one's women, right? And then this one is women and men.
What?
SH. We need equal rights for men. It's so unfair.
Where is this?
They're so privileged. They get their own restroom.
Wait,
Okay, I'm confused about
No.
this also.
but honestly, man, it's crazy. Only in the US, I mean, and people say that like women, got it hard. I mean, as a man, I can't go here, but as a woman, you can go to the men's bathroom. But are you kidding me? Man, that's so crazy. And that's 5 years ago.
So this is the
Imagine now.
men's and women's room.
Wow.
And then this is the location/quiet room. I'm so confused. Ma'am, is that a restroom?
Sorry, what?
Is that a restroom or a quiet room?
It's a quiet room.
Oh, a quiet room. What goes on in there? Oh, did you see
Yeah,
that?
what is quadrum?
I almost got that first try. See that? Is that impressive? Yeah, definitely. You want my number now, right? Dude. Okay, I think he's almost out. Fuck yeah. He was taking a very large poo-poo. Right here, come on. It's not gay if there's a camera. Two guys walk out of the restroom with a camera. I feel like when I try to do it, there's gonna be a time when it just like squirts on him. But we'll see. You see the grill over there? Just try to film from like somewhere right there. I knew it. I knew it. That always happens. I'm gonna just go fuck myself. Achoo. Oh.
Oh man.
Achoo. Achoo. Oh. Achoo.
She's just smiling. Bless you. I mean, yeah, bless you. I mean, don't get COVID. Yeah, actually, this is before COVID. Wow. But yeah, it's crazy. Like 29 million. How is that even possible on a prank video? Imagine doing this right now. Oh yeah, when the COVID. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Thank you. Yeah, I just been sneezing like all day.
I can imagine that this got on the news, honestly. That's why it got so many views.
Oh man. Huh?
Are you sure you're good?
Yeah, I'm good, yeah. I think there's something like in my nose. Thank you. I don't even know if I got her. I'm trying to do it like that, but I don't know. What's up?
How you doing?
I'm good.
Shoot a video?
Yeah.
So funny.
Yeah.
Like we're literally about to do our own prank. Oh, there we go. That's his thing. That's his thing. I love it. It tastes good.
Did I get you?
Yeah, you did.
I'm trying to practice because I keep missing.
We'll probably see you. Like we'll be around here for like the next 2 hours.
Dope. Same.
Have a good one.
All right, yeah, you too. It's so weird. Fuck.
Oh, it's so quiet.
Thank you. There you go. Thank you.
Oh, he's quiet. Oh my god.
Huh?
That's twice you did that.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just sneezing, dude.
Now you're nasty and you're pulling that water bottle. Chill out.
Yeah, dude, I just have like this severe sneeze. Thank you. Thank you.
But now,
Thank
now
you.
he's not even doing the bottle thing, right?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Here are the leaves. Oh my god, that's crazy. Oh,
You're not gonna bless me?
Bless you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. No bless you that time?
I bless you.
Thank you. I can't do this anymore. H2O. Oh. Thank you. Yeah, I'm just I'm allergic to beautiful girls.
Oh.
Yeah. Wow, you have 2 laptops. Oh no, that's an
it's
iPad.
an iPad.
I was about to say you're rich.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, I need a cop a rich woman
Oh, yeah?
to pay the bills. Yeah, so yeah,
Me
you
too,
want my
man.
number, right?
I have a boyfriend.
What's his name? What's his?
My boyfriend's name, Ricky.
That took you like 5 seconds to make that up.
True.
Damn it. Do you want some? All right. Your loss. They have ping pong here. Do you want to play ping pong?
I'm okay.
Is the
I'll
sneezing
destroy you.
over?
Oh, I gotta go to the library.
Oh, really? Where are the things at? How are you gonna have a ping pong table with no pads or balls? Hey, did you guys see Avengers Endgame yet? I was just gonna tell y'all that like Justin Bieber dies. Okay. Great movie. Oh yeah, and Hulk finally smashes. Pretty awesome movie. I was gonna tell you that Donald Trump dies at the end. Yeah.
I know you.
Oh, you know me?
The camera.
What do you mean you know me? What's my name then?
Stacy.
It's Robert. Did you see Avengers Endgame yet?
I did.
I was gonna tell you that Bella Thorne dies at end. No disrespect. Thank you. Hey, did you see Avengers Endgame yet?
No, I haven't.
Oh, I was just gonna tell you that Justin Bieber dies at the end. Yeah. Did you see Avengers Endgame yet?
I did not.
Oh, I was gonna tell you that James Charles shows his ass at the end.
All right.
Yeah, pretty awesome movie. You're not gonna bless me? Here, dude, hurry up. Fuck, we gotta get under there. Dang, Dennis is all wet. When it rains, the rain doesn't
It
get me wet.
pours.
I get the
Oh,
rain
okay.
dry.
What?
Shit.
Really?
Psych. That's my car right there.
Blah.
That is gonna happen one day though.
Yeah, I don't really understand, like, why would you put the key there?
Yo, dude,
What's up?
I just sneezed.
Oh, bless you.
Thank you. God.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Huh?
Bless you.
Dude, I didn't sneeze yet.
When you're about to.
You gotta say it after I sneeze.
Is that a rule? Okay.
What are we watching?
Bless you.
Thank you.
Dude, I'm not gonna say bless you every time.
Yeah, but you're supposed to say it
Huh.
every time. That's how the world works.
Not if you're gonna sneeze 1,000 times.
You know your heart stops when you sneeze? So if you don't say bless you, I might die.
Oh, it does? Okay, I
True.
don't care, right? Because I have to write a paper. Just still sneeze.
Is it like 1 millisecond, I think, right? Somewhere around there. Not 1 second, right? It would be too long, right? Well, I'm not sure actually.
Are you listening to me, you little bitch? When I sneeze, you say bless you. It's simple, okay? Don't let me kill your fucking fish.
Fish?
Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's fine. We're just a gay couple. Right, honey?
Yes.
Bless you.
Thank you.
I mean, good video, but I'm surprised that he got so many views, so much views. I mean, sometimes you just get lucky, right? Yeah, imagine doing this right now. It's weird seeing everybody without a mask. Oh, you know, pretty much everyone watched this when the COVID hit. Hmm. Oh, I forgot about the word bless you for a whole year there. Everyone looks so tiny in the background. Oh, actually, whoa, they actually do look tiny. What? It's almost like a illusion. Hmm, interesting. Hmm. Who would have thought this was illegal a year later? What? It's not illegal. Hmm. True. Hmm. I don't understand. Hmm. But yeah, definitely check out the original. Sneezing on people's Steezy Kane. I don't know. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.